Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Wednesday's virtual assembly. Today, Room 3 and Room 11 have been looking at ways to keep healthy. We are talking about Global Goal 3, and this links in with Article 24. This looks in depth at good health and well-being and how children all around the world, including yourselves, can access that. Please have a go at the song, which you'll see in a minute, and please have a read through the PowerPoint and look at the pictures with your adult at home.
3 key signs to good health and well-being. Healthy food, exercise, sleep.
Healthy food, exercise, sleep.
My personal goal at the moment is staying healthy, is to walk every day, and which helps my mental well-being, and also to cut down on my sugar intake. So eating more healthily will help me feel good mentally.
Our health and well-being are influenced by the settings in which we live. By 2030, 2/3 of humanity will live in urban areas. Cities provide an excellent opportunity for local governments to protect and promote health at many levels. 23% of deaths are caused by environmental factors. In fact, more than 90% of the world population is exposed to air quality levels that do not meet the recommendations of the World Health Organization. Some 235 million people currently suffer from asthma. It is the most common non-communicable disease among children, and urbanization is associated with an increase in asthma. 39% of adults are overweight. Obesity is one of the biggest health problems worldwide, and living in urban areas contributes to sedentary lifestyles. Health is not only about medical and clinical services such as hospitals. It is about including health directives in all policies. Cities can be designed to provide well-being and care. Thus, many local governments are already taking actions to bring about health benefits by raising awareness in communities for prevention and to promote healthy lifestyles, improving services including basic health services, waste management, hygiene in food chains, and water and sanitation, putting people at the centre of urban and transport planning, responding to the needs of all citizens, promoting connectivity in diverse neighbourhoods, and improving the quality and safety of public spaces to favour mental health, physical activity, and social cohesion, improving road safety and managing traffic to reduce injuries and casualties, protecting common goods such as soil, water, air, and the natural environment in an integrated way across sectors. The Sustainable Development Agenda, including SDG 3, is about ensuring healthy living, fostering well-being for all people at all ages, and promoting indicators to monitor progress. This can only be achieved through local action.
Don't forget, guys, your greatest wealth is your health.